stamina, I will work out with you.
No, he can work out. Come on, stop it. We don't like these Dagestanis around here. Don't worry, we got that. Tajikistan is very good wrestlers, you know that? Tajikistan has very good wrestlers.
Hiç kanamek zara. Hiç kanamek reza. Hasbik ve prostarmış. Tayyore. Manam tayyorum.
He says that nobody is going to run away. I am ready, and I think Hasbik is ready too. So we are going to make this.
He said Hasbullah is saying he get tired. He said he rides a motorbike around town. You're different. It's different. It's a different animal. You know? You're a different animal. Hasbullah gets tired fucking, walking his dog.
Hasbik farbe das şakaptım rangi gudakay disalat das kovuna kam kadar vapşına metna u bafikim ya dar metanım namen bak das kovur kunad ve kovundum das ya u videolarına mondan buridan bareki u sister.
He says that Hasbik is a fat kid. When I caught his hand, it was so soft, like a woman hand, yeah. And when we did arm wrestling, like I pushed his arm like a kid. So he's so soft. He's soft.
He is soft. Yeah, I seen that. He looks like the piss door boy. What's it called? Yes. Do you think the fight's gonna happen or no?
He is 100% ready. He says that if this fight is going to happen, we're going to make this fight. And he said that okay, we just need Dana White's agreement. Dana White's agreement.
Tell him I'm 100%. I'll put my money into it. I want to see the fight. I've been watching all the press conferences with. I don't even know what they're saying. I watch everything.
So he says that even he is going to fight Aljamain Sterling for his belt, and he's
no. You could beat Henry Cejudo. Cejudo you can beat. No, 100%. Yeah, Cejudo's a little man. You're more of a Cejudo. What did he say? Hasbullah.
No. He's going to fight for the belt. He is going to fight for the belt, not with triple cone, but going to fight for the belt. Aljamain Sterling.
I think shit's bigger than Cejudo. What is it?
He thinks that Cejudo he thinks that Cejudo is normal fighter, but even he is going to smash him.
Yeah, no, he smashed him. I know. I agree. I think Hasbullah is tougher than Cejudo. Be honest.
He say that in that way where Cejudo, where Aljamain Sterling, he could beat all of them. Like he is the number one in that way.
I seen him train. I seen him put the bag. I seen it. Ask him.
He asked when is your fight going to be?
I'm gonna fight Jake Paul next. You know Jake Paul? What do you think about Jake Paul?
Jake Paul Jake Paul bakıyorum.
Yeah.
With that blogger?
Yeah. The little pussy. Jake Paul.
He said that you're gonna whop him, you're gonna smash him, kill him, everything you could make with him.
Scared. Tell him he's like Hasbullah. He's hiding. Jake Paul's like a bad.
Yeah. I know that he's afraid of you.
Tell him to say fuck Jake Paul.
Fuck Jake Paul, my God. Go fuck Jake Paul.
No.
He says okay, it's. He says that. Okay, he said that it's a little bit rude to say So here, watch some Tajik kids watch him, so it's a little bit rude for him.
I respect him. I respect him for that. You're a good man. You're a good man, Abdu.
Yeah, he says Mutually, you are too. You are too.
Ask him if I fight Jay Paul, what is his prediction? Who does he think is gonna win?
He says that you're going to kill him. He's a blogger, a jerk blogger.
Ask him. Hasbullah said he's a fake Muslim. I want to know what he says about that, because Hasbullah, you know, those Dagestani guys like Khabib, they're fake Muslims, you know. So I don't know. Ask him what he has to say about that. Khabib is a fake Muslim, you know. He goes out, he parties.
Alhamdulillah,
me too. I'm on your side. I'm on your side. We're real men. We wear it on our chest.
He says that we respect all Muslim people in all over the world.
Said to him, he said that he's not a, you know, he was going at him. That's why. He said you're a bad. Yeah, Hasbullah said you're a bad Muslim. That's what he said. We know those
Okay, he says that Hezbollah is just telling some bullshits, and he says that I'll show it into the octagon, so I'm going to smash him about his words. Okay, words no matter, they don't matter, but this is the action which matters.
Tell him I put $1 million on him. I put my money bet on
okay, I will make your million 5 million. I will make it triple, more than 500. Yeah.
Man. Tell him.
Okay, you just believe in me. I'm gonna make it. Believe in me, and I'm gonna make it. I touch his hand. Even right now, I can say that this is a girl hand, like a child, a fat child with a girl hand. You see,
a fat child with a girl.
A woman with like a child with a woman, mixed woman child.
Mixed woman child. Tell him I love his passion, and I respect it. He has, like, when he talks, I could see his passion.
Okay, it was a word that we said that before the fight. So we said that we are going to stay safe. We're going to stay safe. I kept my word, but he didn't.
Ask him when he kicked him, did he feel anything or no? You know, in the is there a bruise? Is there a bruise on your shin? I see your shin.
He says that even he didn't touch me. He didn't touch me. Like how can I feel something when a woman touched me?
To be honest, I heard I did hear this. I'm not gonna lie, from a couple people, that he has a lot of ladies around in Tajikistan. Is that true or no? He has like I heard that he has a lot of girls around. Is that true?
He says that we were going Tajikistan ahead. He didn't understand your last question. Could you ask it again?
I heard around the streets that he has a lot of ladies around him now. Now because the press conference blew up, this and that, and now he has a lot of girls around him. Is that
مگه
true?
که مقصد کنفرانس تمام شده که میگه ولی اما چی بود شده که واسه پیش گیر نوای هوای حزبی یا قیمت دختره میگه میرسته دروغه چیه
Come on.
دروغه
He's a,
okay he says that I think
don't get mad. No, I just heard it. I didn't. It wasn't me.
yeah, he said that Hasbig he's even afraid to go out of his home. How he can be with girls?
No. You. I said, are you with girls? I heard he was with girls. I do. No, come on, stop it.
No.
Like a little snack.
No.
It's between me and you right now.
He says that okay, I've got my girlfriend and I'm going to get married. My
man.
girlfriend. No more girls. No more girls.
Okay. I didn't know you had a girlfriend. My bad.
نه من زن میگیرم من عروس ندارم عروس پروس واپشن نه no
Okay, he says that just getting married. Okay, just getting married.
You getting married?
Like just
You
getting married.
Can I be your best man?
زن
Ask him if I'm invited to the wedding.
شما چی
مگه
فکر
تو مرا
میکنید؟
توی دا خیرات کو مگه وقتی که توی کردی
Can I go to the wedding?
حتما شما چی
I'm walking around down the aisle.
So he said that
شما
okay.
چی فکر میکنید؟ همه بول
I'll walk you down the aisle. I carry you. I swear to God. What is it?
Okay, he said that I will send you the visa to come to my wedding.
Ask him. I want to be the best man. I want to carry him down the aisle.
مگه ما ترى تو پیش عروس ما میبرم مگه مثلا زن گرفتی.
نه هزار رحمت.
Come on. Go on.
Thank so he appreciated.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, that's my man. All right. So
فکر میکنید دای بوی میشم میشه.
tell him
Okay.
I knock out Jake Paul and then he knocks out Tell him we're gonna celebrate. Does he drink or no? I give him a nice shot of proper 12.
مگه وقتی که من جک پول مگه وقتی که میزنم مگه مود کسا جشن میگیریم تو مگه اون چی مخلی مگه مقصد سپیت نه
نه
No
من
drinking?
اول 16 ساله ممکن نیست مادر
هفته.
17
Okay.
من واپشن نمیدونم
He says we're gonna celebrate it, but I will just drink some fruit juice.
Oh, my man. What kind of fruit?
With fruit juice.
All right.
من
I see how you
قطعشون
get down.
کوکاکولا میزنم
Yeah. Just a Coke or some soda.
Some soda. Okay, all right. I see how you roll. I put a little Coke, but I put a little whiskey in the Coke, you know?
Whiskey مگه من زنده کولا مگه.
نه نمشکم
No whiskey for me. No whiskey. Under 18. Now I'm under 18.
How old are you?
چند ساله‌ای؟
17
17.
I thought you were 19. My bad.
من خیلی میگه تو
What's the drinking age? It's not your thing. That's probably like 14. Don't lie. Come on. What's the drinking age over there? It's probably like 14.
مگه وقتی عرقی مگه نه مثلا 18 بودم. Okay.
نه ما واپشه اولوی نمی‌نوشیم ما در ممکن نیست این چیز ما کولا فقط سوگ می‌خوریم آب جوش
Okay, he says that it's 18 over 17 and 18
All right, one more year.
But he never drinks.
Tell him when he turns 18, I'll have his first drink with him.
مگه وقتی که 18
شما ایتن ما نوشتن گیریم
Okay, so he says that you can drink instead of me and say cheers.
Deal. Tell him if he was drunk, he'd still be Hasbullah because those Dagestani guys, they don't, they're soft. Tell him Dagestani guys are soft. Ask him when he went to Hasbullah's house, it looked like it was a homeless shelter. Ask him that. When he went to Hasbullah's house, it looked like a homeless shelter.
Repeat again.
When he went to Hasbullah's house, it looked like a homeless shelter.
مگه وقتی که حزب‌الله پیش کنارشون رفتم مگه رنگی آدمو رنگی بومجو بود مگه من رسته
نه نرمالی بود
he says even I didn't see him to say I didn't see him when I went to him. How can I say like he looked like a homeless shelter.
Ask him if he can show his shin. I want to see if there's any bruise. I want to see when he, Hasbullah kick him in the shin. I want to see if there's a bruise or not. Yeah, show the shin. Where he kicked him. Show me where he kicked him. I want to see if there's a bruise. Let me see the. Let me see your leg. Let me see. Yeah, show. Tell him to show his leg. I don't want no bruise. No bruise. No, we don't get no bruises from Pakistani men. Bunch of pussies. Yeah, let's see it. Let's see. Let me see it. Let me see it. No, pull it up higher. No, no bruise. No, yeah, exactly. Yeah, my man.
Yeah, he says that I didn't feel like, even he didn't touch me, like nothing, like nothing. He didn't touch me. How can there be a bruise?
I just want to see it.
I think even if he smash a fly, the fly will not die.
Tell him that he takes my money. I want to watch this fight so bad. This is my this is the #1 money fight for me. I put $1 million on him.
$1 million Well, he says, okay, just I need to believe. Like, I need to believe. If you believe in me, I'm gonna smash him down. Like, I'm gonna wreck him.
I feel like, yeah, no, I know. I want this fight to happen so bad. I've been watching all the things. I don't even know what's going on. And I feel like the guy in the middle, what's the guy's name? The Hulk? What's his name? The fake Hulk. He's Russian too. I think he's against you a little bit. He's against you. He's against you. Let me go in the middle. Fuck that guy. He uses steroids just like Hasbullah, but they both use steroids.
He says that I will answer to this question, but I want to say something that he says. Say to Hasbullah that the king is back. King is back.
Tell him the guy in the middle gives him steroids.
Okay, he says that this guy's name Tamayev, like
yeah, and he gives steroids in his ass.
He says that he is a normal guy. We didn't see any badass like when we were there. Like he respect us, but when the cameras, like when the cameras turn on, Hasbik shows him off. Like he's kind of about
that. Yeah, no, I agree. Tell him I saw that. He goes Belmore and tell him the Russian guys are sneaky Russian guys.
Okay.
Trust them. Tell him.
Okay. So we've got a brother here, Persian Dagestani. So he wants to say hello to him. So and could you repeat it, please?
I said the Russian guys are sneaky. He's trying to he using Hasbullah for you, you know, because you're bringing him the clout. Like you said, like you make him more popular. And like, he needs you. You don't need him. He needs you. You don't need him.
So he said. So he says that that Tamayev made of this Hasbik a human. So and even Hasbik, he is a jerk liar. He don't keep his words.
He don't keep his word. He's like those Dagestani guys. All of them, they're fake. Weasel. Hazbak. What's his name? Fuck him. Tell Hazbak I fight him. Tell Hazbak I fight him on undercard.
Yeah, he says that. Okay, don't want to say about all Dagestan people, but Hasbik is a fake jerk, like the woman, like he says, a woman.
No, not Hasbullah. Who's the guy that was in the middle? What's his name?
اونو مودم که دام باید تمای فایزه تمای فایزه سر وای چی میگه
Tamayev, if I fight him. I fight Tamayev. No, I fight him. Winner gets winner.
He says that this Tamayev, this guy in the middle, he is not Dagestan people. He's not Dagestan. He's Chechen. You know, he's Chechen.
Yeah, come on, stop it. The Chechens, you know. I don't know. I fight him. I fight him. Tell him I fight him. Ask him who does he like better. Ask him who is he like better.
What?
I want to fight Tamayev. What the fuck his name is? Ask him who does he like better, Dagestan or Chechnya?
He says that okay. I cannot predict this. I cannot predict this fight because the best one is right now. He's known. Oh, everybody know the best one.
Yeah.
Like you know who is the best one.
Ask him. How does he predict that he beats Hasbulla? Like what does he think? What a submission, a knockout?
مقصد میگه حزب‌الله خاطر اگر جان کنی تو چی مقصد میگه ناکاوتش میکنی ودوشایش میکنی مقصد چی میکنی شما
ما استویکا دازورم استویکا
Okay, I will keep standing. I will smash him as McGregor smashed Jose Aldo.
Oh, yeah. One punch.
Yauda, one punch.
Out.
15 seconds, 2 punches.
15 seconds?
2.
Ooh, my man. All right. I don't know. I could see Hasbullah's chin looks like it's been hit a couple times, so you can take it out. He looks a little bit like he's been through a lot, Hasbullah. You know, he looks like he's weathered. Khabib has been treating him not too good.
مگه مثلا ما فکر میکنیم که وای حزب‌الله مگه چی کرده مگه کام تا مونداشی بگیره برو فکر میکنیم راجع کاشولا میگه.
Look, he looks like his chin is, you know.
Okay, حزب تز مونده میشه فقط خوبه. ما درس میرم، موزیک میکنم، کالج میخونم.
I am a very active guy. I don't think that Hasbig is too. So I go to gym. I go to college. Like I do my works. Like I study when I study. So that's why I'm so active, and that's why I believe in myself. I'm so confident that I can kill him. I can kill him.
Ask him. If Hasbullah pulls out of the fight and doesn't want to fight, who does he want to fight next?
اگر میگه وقتی که حزب‌الله میگه جنگ بس کنه مثلا جنگ نکنه تو کی خاطی بودالش جنگ میکنه مثلا
دنیس
Cejudo.
Oh, come on, that's too easy. You're being a bully. Tell him. That's an easy fight for him.
We will exchange our punches and we'll see. But I'm sure that I will smash him. I will smash this triple C.
Yeah,
triple clone.
He's shit. The guy is very. Tell him my money is on him. What do you think? What do you think of the fight, Cejudo and me? It's tough. I mean, I think he has a little bit more. You have the hands. I'll be honest. You have the hands, but I think second round. I think it's an uppercut.
ما بواردم که دیم راند است خود داره لوگو خیلی میزنیم.
گامنس بعد بوی حبیب بعد کولر قتی حبیب داروی شما پارد حبیب یامو چی گفت شد؟ نرسید
Okay, he says that I fight him, but not in the second round. In the first round, I'm gonna smash Cejudo, and I have got my personal question, like from the fight Habib and McGregor. If you remember, Habib jumped to you. So did he touch you?
No, come on, stop it. He's like Hasbullah, you know. He's a little kid. He's a little kid. He's like a kid, you know. These guys walk around, but they don't. Oh, come on. You know what you say? You know what you say? Hasbullah grabbed like a woman. Yeah, I come on. You know, Hasbullah grabbed. I saw him. I hit him with the right hand. He felt the power of a real man, and then he ran away.
Did you say something?
Like all the Dagestani men, they run away when the real war happens. I hit him, and then they all run away. Islam, you know Islam, he's a pussy too. All these guys are pussies. All Hasbullah's crew is all pussies. Let's see what they do. I'll send them my address right now. You want to send location? I'll send location. All pussies. Islam can suck my dick.
So he agrees with you. So he agrees with you, and
tell him
right.
Tell
so
him.
He says that,
tell him. Me and him go to Khabib's house. We'll go to his homeless shelter on the corner. We'll go to his shed. Okay, you take Hasbullah, I take Khabib. Come on.
Okay. He says that, okay, let's go to the main theme, like me and Hasbullah. So, me and Hasbullah.
Khabib is a bitch, so we don't know. He's retired. He's fat now.
Okay, he says that, so, if you are as cool as me, so you can go to Dagestan to Habib's house.
I go with you. I got your back. In Dagestan, they love me. They love me in Dagestan. Khabib is a pussy.
Appreciate it.
100%. All right, brother. I love talking to you. Should we keep talking, or what do you think? Or should we end it?
As you wish. You are a big brother. You are a big brother. In our culture, we respect our big brothers. So what they say, this is a law.
Nah, tell him I love him. Tell him that. Tell him I adopt him. I'm gonna adopt him. I want to adopt him. In America, you guys have that? Tell him I want to adopt him. I want you to be mine.
So we are going to go to US. Where are you? Where do you live?
I'm in New York City. Tell them I fly all through you. You and your two cousins or your two boys. I'll fly all through you. We have got some little problems to get visa. No, but you know me. I got you. I'll get you to the States. I know Trump. Don't worry about that. We don't. Don't worry. I called the president. He's in my pocket. We got it. Don't worry about that.
He's a little bit hesitated of your words. He don't know how to appreciate it, how to say grateful, how to be grateful.
You may kiss. That's all I need. Ask him. I want a question from him. Hasbullah say he has more money than you. Who has more money? Be honest. I like to be flashy too. I have a lot of money.
مگه کی حزب‌الله ایت دا پول $20 کی پول $20 با گفتید
ما پول مرشا نمیدونم دوخ ما کلو نمیکی ما پول مرشا نمیدونم.
No, be honest though, because I like to flash some money too, you know what I mean?
Okay.
پول آدم بزرگ نمیکنه. خوکسوری آدم بزرگ میکنه.
So he says, don't know about the money, but the great soul is in me. I have got the great soul. I have got the spirit of a warrior. I can fight him everywhere. He says that money can't make the human. Like it's not up to money. So it's up to spirit, up to soul.
Ask him, in all honesty, be honest. Is the rivalry, you know, him and Hasbulla, is it real or not? Because I watched a video and I was very excited. I want to see the fight, and then I see them hugging and this and that, and it hurt me a little bit. I want to know. I don't want to know the business. I want to know if it's real or not.
Моя мақсад ма вақте дидим серьезно ҳаяҷон зада шудим. Ма чиза мегӯям ждат дорум, ами чиз реально мешавад ки не?
Ака мо худмонам ждат дорем ранги шумо.
He says that I'm looking forward to smash Hasbullah's face.
Yeah? Okay.
I'm looking forward to smash Hasbullah's face. If they pay us our money, I'll pay the
money. I'll put the promoter on. I'll put the 2 fight on. We make $5 million. Everybody wants to watch this fight. Everybody wants to watch this fight. We make it $75 a pay-per-view. Everybody.
Tamam, brad.
Do it, yeah. Who's the guy in the middle? What's the guy's name in the middle?
Okay, if the money is right, if the money is right,
tell Tommy off.
Our side is ready, but there is a word. If there is no money, even I can fight him too without money.
I agree, no, yeah. But tell Tommy off, the guy in the middle, he's a pussy. My man. Ask him if before we go, does he have any questions for me?
Okay, he says, okay, you can go on, no problems. But he wants you to ask like not discriminational questions.
Like what?
Like about some nationalities, maybe.
No. There's nothing. There's no discriminational questions. Trust me, they know that. I'm Armenian.
No problems, you can go on.
All right, I just want to know if he had any questions he wanted to ask me.
Okay, so he is a fan of. He wants to ask that about the fight of Dustin Poirier and McGregor the third. So who is going to win, and what's your prediction? And he says that I believe that Conor going to smash him, but what's your prediction?
My prediction is, I would say Conor KO or TKO in the second round. And then he takes the belt.
But Conor McGregor
kills Oliveira. He kills Oliveira. Easy money. Easy. You know Hasbulla? That's easy, but this is too easy, brother.
So yeah. We suppose that Conor McGregor is going to be the champion. The champion, and he's going to take the belt from Oliveira. And he says that we are in your side.
Ask him before we go. When he fights Hasbulla, can I walk out with him?
Yes, I've got one place for you.
I want to corner him.
Sure, absolutely, you can.
Okay.
He says that he has just one place for you, special place.
What is it?
A coach assistant.
Okay, deal. I'm gonna coach him.
Oh my God,
We'll keep that. We'll keep the Dillon Dennis Dagestani rivalry alive. All right, deal. All right, brother. I'm gonna let you go.
Okay. So as we Tajik people say that everything is in the God's hand. but I'm 100% sure that I'm gonna smash him. Yeah.
Tell him I'm on his side and tell him I love him. I'll tell him talk to him later.
Pulima da taraftayım, mam da taraftayım maksat.
Tamam Danis. Tamam. Şunu anı boğarken tamam.
Okay. So he says, appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are and your friends in my side, smashing is not a problem. I'm going to smash everyone you ask.
I know. I smash. Yeah, I know. I agree with you. Tell him. Ask him if he smashed his girlfriend or no. Be honest. I want to know.
He says that okay. He wants that you kill Jake Paul.
I will
smash Jake Paul. He says.
I will fuck Jake Paul. Just like you're gonna fuck Hasbulla. Brother, this is an easy fight for us. It's an easy fight.
Okay, he says that
tell him.
I don't understand.
Tell him I'm gonna treat Jake Paul like my girlfriend, like a little bitch.
Jake Paul he says that
Get on his head.
Okay, he says that I do not understand English, but I did understand the word fuck.